Hi guys, SJ here at Champion Trader HQ, and first of all, congratulations on making the decision to become a wealthy and prosperous Forex trader with the money expert advisor. Just before I go any further, I'm obliged to quickly go over our risk warning, so I'll do that right now. There it is on your screen. So yes, there are risks involved with Forex trading, as we know, as there are with any business venture, of course. So you could make more or less than the numbers I'll be going over in today's video. Our full risk warning, if you want to read that, that can be found at the very bottom of our main website. That's at megawealthy.com. So with that out of the way, let's get started. So, as you've probably already seen, or as you've hopefully already seen in our main website, with the Money EA, you can potentially turn $1,000 into $30,745, $2,000 into $85,359, or even $5,000 into $245,170. And that's over the course of a full trading year using our optimal higher risk EA settings. Okay? That's using the higher risk settings. We do have lower risk settings available. And if you go back to the main website, you'll be able to download the PDF documents for each backtest, all generated using the highest quality tick data available, and each PDF report will also fully detail all the stats, and it will also detail every trade taken by the EA during that particular year. Okay, full disclosure, everything is covered, warts and all, in the PDF docs. Now, there are of course no carved in stone guarantees, as I mentioned a little earlier, but the back tests that generated the results you can see on your screen there, I would say that I'm biased of course, but nevertheless, I would say they're a very good representation as to what this expert advisor could deliver, and it could deliver that all on 100% hands-free autopilot. So look, if you're tired of continually losing money on different biz ops, programs, plans and schemes and such like, and the opportunity to generate yourself a substantial income on 100% hands-free autopilot, that appeals to you, here's what you need to do right now. Message me, and you can do that via Telegram, Skype, or Facebook Instant Messenger. Yes, Facebook does come in useful for some things now and again. Okay, and you'll find all my contact details a bit further down the page and of course below this video. And when we connect, all you need to do is let me know your demo or your real account MT4 trading account number, your demo or your real account number, and then my tech team with that info, they can get to work and they can generate your unique EA trading license. They will need that number before they can send your EA through to you. Okay, it is an important part of the equation. And now if you don't have MT4 downloaded just yet, that's not a problem. That's because I'll let you know exactly what you need to do so you can download your MT4 platform onto your PC or laptop within the space of a few minutes, and at the same time get hold of your all-important account number too. Now, typically within 24 hours of receiving your account number, my tech team, they will send you your personalized copy of the Money Expert Advisor. Then, as you can see in the graphic there, you can then add it to your MT4 trading chart. You know, just drag and drop it on there. Then you just turn it on and fire it up, and you can start making money right out of the gate from that point onwards. Simple as that. And unlike most other EAs out there, most of which I've seen and tested, that's where you're given sometimes 30, 40 or 50 different EA settings, and you're told to adjust them, or play around with them, see what happens, etc., etc. Well, we don't do that here. Instead, the very best settings and the most profitable settings to use, they'll already be added to the Money EA as default. So you'll be good to go right out of the box. No messing around required. Now, following on from that, everything you need to know in order to get yourself up and running and, of course, into profit within the shortest possible time, that's all going to be fully covered in audio, text, and in video format too. That will be in your password protected Champion Trader Academy VIP back office. Everything's going to be covered in there from A to Z, as you can see on your screen there. Opening demo account, downloading MT4, opening a live account, real-time stats, FAQs, the whole shooting match is going to be in there. No stone left unturned, and it goes without saying that hands-on support, that will be made available to you at all times should you need it. There's always going to be help close at hand. And remember too, with the 100% risk-free 30-day trial that we make available, you'll have a full 30 days in which to test drive the EA, so you'll be able to see for yourself just how immensely profitable it really is. You'll be able to do that on your own PC or on your own laptop. So you actually get to put the EA to the test. You get to put it to the test on a real live account if you want, and if you do that, you can also have it making real money even before you decide whether or not you want to continue. Okay, so it's got to be, I will call it the ultimate try before you buy offer. No cost, no card details needed, no strings, no catches, no gimmicks, no BS, and no obligation. That's the 100% risk-free trial. Then after the trial, after your 30-day trial, or at any time during the trial, if you decide that you'd like to continue making money every day, and why not, you'll have the opportunity to purchase your full 12-month trading license for the Money EA, and you'll be able to do that at the discounted price of only $995. That's equal to around £725, or just 850 euros. There you are. Okay. The regular price after our official launch, which I believe is still scheduled for December, the regular price will be $1,995. So if you act now, you'll be able to lock in your $1,000 discount and pay just $995, which works out at well under $3 a day. I would say that really is chump change in the big scheme of things, especially when you compare it to the huge potential gains which I covered right at the start of the video. There you are, just as a quick refresher. And look, if raising the 995 and initially funding your trading account, if that's a bit of a stretch right now, you could always partner up with a friend or a couple of friends, split the cost between you, and also split the profits that you make as you go along. That's just an idea to throw out there. And let me just mention this important point too real quick. And just to clarify, the Money Expert Advisor, that's the product that you've been reading about and hearing about today. It is a 100% stand-alone product. Okay, that is to say that it's not part of a separate bigger program, nor is it part of any network marketing or multi-level MLM deal. Nothing wrong with those. I'm just saying this is not part of that. You'll make a one-time payment to purchase your annual trading license after your 30-day trial, just like I mentioned earlier. So, in a nutshell, there are no monthly fees, no subscriptions, no left or right legs to fill, no monthly auto ships or any additional fees required ever. Okay, and also I may as well clarify at this point that this is not a we trade for you or a kind of a trade copier service either. That's where your MT4 trading platform is hooked up to a master trader account, master trader's account, which then replicates all of their trades on your account. Okay, there's none of that. It's also not a signal service where you have to where you have random trade signals sent through to your email or to your phone, typically at all hours of the day or night. There's none of that too, and it's not a managed account or a PAM account program either. Okay, so all the trading is done by the Money Expert Advisor on your own MT4 trading platform. It's not controlled in any format by any outside third party, and more importantly, you'll always have full control of all your money, which you can of course access or withdraw at any time. Okay then, so just to tie everything up, if you need any more info or if you still have any questions regarding the Money Expert Advisor or the getting started process, be sure to write all your questions down and we can go over them when we connect. Okay, and there again we can connect by Telegram, Skype, Facebook Messenger. So I look forward to hearing from you real soon. I also look forward to helping you generate yourself a truly substantial income over the months and years ahead. So message me ASAP before you forget or before you get sidetracked by something else. That's easily done these days. And let's get started making you some real money. And make no mistake, folks, we are making Forex great again. I've heard that phrase somewhere before, but regardless, we are making Forex great again with the Money Expert Advisor. So lock arms with me today, connect with me today too, and get ready to generate yourself an amazing monthly income, and one that can grow to literally any level you wish and enable you to make more money over the next 12 months than you ever thought possible. No scams, no gimmicks, no BS, no more dicking around, no more looking like the sorry ass losers in the pictures here. Okay, you want to avoid that. You know, this is not good. It's not a good place to be. Exactly what you need to avoid. You've probably been there before a few times. I think we all have at some point, but you definitely don't want to go back there. That's for sure. And don't forget that with our 30-day trial, there she blows, with our 30-day trial, you'll have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain. And you don't even need to have any previous trading experience. We've literally taken the long, boring and very tedious learning curve out of the equation, so everyone can now trade with the Money EA on 100% hands-free autopilot and generate themselves an absolute fortune. At the end of the day, it's up to you to decide. Only you can decide whether you want to take up the opportunity or whether you want to give it a miss. You're under no obligation to dramatically increase your current income. After all, you know, being rich, just like being broke, it's a choice only you can make. So message me today, get all your questions answered, and if you still have any, and let's get started. Okay. And by the way, even though I've gone on for a fair bit longer than I'd planned in this video, it's a bit of an understatement, but even though I've done that, this is not a full overview of the EA or of the actual opportunity itself, even though it sure feels like it is at this point in time. So if you want the full kitchen sink, the full caboodle, chapter and verse on everything prior to deciding on your next move, that's fine, no problem. Just hit the back button on your browser to visit the long ass sales page that I cobbled together at megawealthy.com. So this is SJ here at Champion Trader HQ signing off finally. Thanks for taking time out to watch this video today, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.